Hey, what's up guys? There's a new thing on my channel. It is called a membership. So if you are like a really like a try hard fan of my channel, you can click here and you can support me by just click on here and joining that. It's gonna give me money each month. So it just supports me. Imagine I just want to do like giveaways for I don't know, for a certain amount of subscribers or anything. Or you can just click here and choose what you want to do, and there's perks for that. Like when you buy it, there's many perks about it. You're gonna get emojis. So on my live stream, when you talk, you are gonna be able to send emojis, and you're gonna be able to get little badges like that. I'm gonna change them soon. But yeah, if you really want to support me, that would be much appreciated. If you can, if you cannot, it's all fine. But yeah, thanks a lot. I hope you appreciate the video. Bye bye. Hey, what's up, guys? Okay, so today, I actually updated the DPS guide. So, what I did, I actually did like math on this. Like, most people don't want to spend more than 5 or 4 minutes killing a boss. So I put like approximately, what I did is that I put the health of the boss minus 180, wait, well, how do I say that in English? Bro. Okay, so I divided. So I took the health and I divided by 180 seconds, because 180 seconds is 3 minutes, and the average that you want to spend on the boss is about 3 minutes, or it's gonna take like way too long. Just go down a boss or something. But yeah, I just took the health of the boss and I did my divided by 180 and 180 seconds, and that's what it gave me. So first boss, what DPS you should get is 200, at least 200. It's gonna take you 3 minutes to do them. Like, oh yeah, about 200. It's gonna take you 3 minutes to kill Oshi. For Mada, aka Madara, you're gonna need about 800 DPS to kill him in about 3 minutes. But like I said, it doesn't have to be like 3 minute, you know. It can take 5 minutes, but everything under 5 minutes, go down a boss, because it's not really worth doing, except if you're going AFK. That's really the only reason you should go farm another boss. And I'm not doing Numac because it's really the first troops that you need, so yeah. Second one, Bazaar Town. KO. KO, whatever, I guess. You actually need 1.1k DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. You might need like 600 for 5 minutes or something. You just need to do 5 minutes is 300 seconds. So just do that. For Aki, you're gonna need 5.5k DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. And let's go to Orange Line. Orange Line, you actually need 3.3k to kill my boy Admiral Aka right here. This guy right here, you're gonna need 3.3k to kill him under 3 minutes. And let's go to my man, Big Man. So, Big Man, you actually need 20k DPS to defeat him under 3 minutes, but you might actually need like 10k or like 11k to defeat him in 5 minutes. But around that, you should be fine killing him and farming him and some stuff. Hero Academia, you are gonna need for Dabi, you're gonna need 13.8k DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. And all-in-one does take a lot for this. I don't know why, but it does take a lot like of DPS. You're gonna need 83k, 83.3k DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. You might need like about 40 to 50k to kill him under 5 minutes. It's not too bad, I guess. It's not too bad. For Walled City, aka AOT, you're gonna need, for Shield, you're gonna need about 100k DPS to defeat him under 3 minutes. So not too bad, I guess. 100k might be hard, because I don't know. Wait, let me see how much they are, like how much damage they do. Now, so they do about, where is it? Oh yeah, I've deleted, but they do. I think they do like 3 or 5k each, maybe more. Depends, I think. If I remember right. For Colossus, you're gonna need about 583k to kill him under 3 minutes, and that is a lot of DPS. That's why most of the time I just recommend people to just farm bosses don't farm these big bosses. Farm the little bosses, or just do time trial. Time trial, if you have like above 30 million DPS, you should be able to make good money from just doing those. So I just recommend doing that. If you have a really low DPS, just farm the lower ones, lower bosses, and you should be all good. What's your corpse? Dad, you're actually gonna need a lot, like a lot. You need about 611k to defeat him under 3 minutes. So that is a lot. I don't know if it's balanced, because I really don't remember. It's been so long. I really don't remember. It's been like about a month since this update. So yeah, for a killer or Aka, it's gonna take you about 2.7 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. That is a lot. Yeah. I used to farm him when I had like 400 million. No, maybe 40 million. It actually took me like a minute. So it's not just it's okay. For Gold City, for Taddy, you are gonna need 1.9 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. And for a big one-eyed over there, aka Eto, it's literally this character right here. You are gonna need about 9.1 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. That ain't that bad either. For Chimera Island, aka Hunter Xunter, for Poopy, you're gonna need 6.9 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. Let's go see my man, the King, aka Mehuem, I think, something like that. So this big boy over here, you're gonna need about 41 million DPS to kill him in under 3 minutes. Maybe like 20 million to 30 million for 5 minutes, something like that. It's yeah, like I might do another guide for like 5 minutes, but I think this is I don't know. I think 3 minutes is fine for pretty much every boss. I don't know. I mean, personally, I don't want to spend more than 5 minutes or 4 minutes killing a boss. It's just my preference, I guess. For Virtual World, for Shiny Eyes, you are going to need about 20.8 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. And for Game Master over there, you're actually going to need 125 million DPS to kill him under 3 minutes. So that is a lot of DPS. If you have under, to be honest, if you really have like under 120 million, you shouldn't farm him. You really shouldn't farm him. It's gonna take way too long. And for the last word, the new update, for our Ariet, you're gonna need about 97 million DPS to farm him, which ain't that bad, I guess. Like, I guess you don't have to farm Game Master. You can literally just get the money and just come here and farm her or him. I don't know. Yeah, and for Obata, aka Obama, I'd like to say, you're gonna need 555 million DPS to kill him. So that's pretty much it for the update. I'm gonna try to stay updated on each update for the guide. It takes me a little bit to make, but it's all good, it's worth it at the end. But yeah, guys, hope you liked the video. Hope it really helped you. And if you want to say anything that I said, like if you think I said some wrong stuff, or like you think that everything that I said it was wrong, please tell me in the comments. I'll try to look at it on next update when I do the thing again. Yeah, hope you liked the video. If you liked the video, please subscribe and like. But yeah, boys, take care and I'll see you later. Bye bye.